All right, this is the leftover of the brisket and sausage. This is my breakfast this morning. Put a little bit of cheese on it. And yesterday when I was cooking those chicken thighs in the air fryer, I thought about putting the jalapeno in there because RV living with the geezer, that's what he's done. And what is he called? What are those called? Oh, I just had it on the tip of my tongue. It starts with the T. Oh, man. Oh, well. Oh. Anyway, if I try to sit here and think of that word, my food's going to get cold. And I don't want that. Toriado. Is that it? Toriado? I don't know. Anyway, I am going to finish this. And today is travel day. So I'm going to be on the road about 3.5 hours or so. Got to do a Walmart run, so I'm going to do that too. So it's going to be a full day on the road. What do you think you're doing? I don't think so, little girl. All right. I'll see you in the truck when I start to take off. Good morning. Good morning. Already on the road, headed to Kerrville, Texas. Got to go to Walmart, get Sammy some stuff. I don't want to say the word because she'll be like, what? Anyway, we have a little bit of wind today on the drive, but that's okay. It's not too bad. So I'm gonna do lunch in Kerrville also. I'll bring you along for that. I'll just tell you about it now. I have had sushi, and you saw a video where I got some sushi at HEB and me and Sammy had a picnic. Well, we are gonna go to a sushi, it's hard for me to say, sushi place that only serves sushi. Well, I mean, I guess they serve other stuff, but it's specifically sushi, which I have never been. Oh, dude. It's like into my lane. Big truck. Because it's windy. Yeah, it is pretty windy. Anyway, it's a sushi place, and I've never experienced a sushi place, so that's where we are. Gonna go eat lunch. Well, it was short-lived. The check light came on. Dang it. Oh well, it was fun while it lasted. And I have it on gas. So let me turn it off. Turn it back on. So it should have no lights on. And then it says check. Dang. Oh well, it was fun. Saki. Going to Saki. Home cooking and sushi bar. So this is the sushi bar. Wow, interesting. Thank you.
That way there'll be two on the other side of us.
Oh.
Hello?
That's the one I want. Super Mario roll.
Yeah.
Not really. Tuna, cucumber. Specialty rolls. And here's the regular sushi rolls. Mushroom soup.
Smells good.
Does smell good. I like their little spoons. Soup. Cheers. Cheers. That's good. Order of spring rolls.
Miso soup.
And you got miso. Is that tofu?
Yep.
Uh-huh. There you go. Tofu.
Yeah. So this is mine. It's all veggie.
Look at the flower. Now, what is this one?
That's twisted tuna.
Twisted tuna with some stuff on top. Oh, look at that. It's like carrot.
That's yellowtail levers.
The yellowtail lever something. Little bitty wasabis.
Wasabi flowers.
Wasabi flower. That's eel sauce.
Yes, it's good. You'll like it.
That's a flower. That's all I know. That's all I know.
I do that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of teriyaki.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Put a little wasabi in your bowl.
That might be a much unless you,
Oh, that's
you
much?
do like it. If you like it spicy, that won't be too much.
I don't want to. That still looks like a lot.
It. I do like half.
How's that?
That's probably, if you like spicy, that's probably good. Because really, that bowl's not deep for the soy to.
And then you put some there, and then mix it up. It's the whole sushi experience. That's good. Gouda. That's a lot. There's my takeout leftovers. You want to show
You
yours?
can look at mine.
Oh, you have a flower.
And some chopsticks.
Oh,
And
I need my chopsticks.
you might.
There.
Yeah. Don't you want your flour?
No.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't want my flour. There's my flour. Lunch was good. It's time to get on the road. I am going to... I am going to a new state park in Texas that I've not ever been to. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm at one point in my life, before I retired, I said that I wanted to, my #1 bucket list thing was to visit every state park in Texas. Well, I've yet to fulfill that. Maybe I'll do that someday. Just do a Texas state park, or the ones I haven't been to. Mostly all of them are in the east, south and southeast. So this is one. This is a new one. I get to mark it off my list. So I'm excited about that. All right, we're getting back on the road. Choke Canyon State Park. Sammy says, "Are we here? Is it time?" Yeah. Oops. I need that medallion. Okay, I got my hiking stick medallion. I've got a few that I need to put on, so maybe I will work on that some while we're here. Don't want them to get lost. And I did read that this park is under a boil ban restriction. Not sure why. I didn't ask why, but I guess it doesn't matter why. So I have to remember to, anything you consume, brush your teeth or consume, needs to be boiled. I have a Berkey, but I may boil it anyway because that just freaks me out. But I'll boil a pot. I do have an empty 1 gallon container, so I think I'll boil some up, let it cool, and fill that up. So I have a gallon. Well, I'll put that through the Berkey too. So anyway, just to say, there's a boil ban here. That's fun. I just saw a sign. It was a white sign. You don't see very many white signs. I guess they are alert signs, the white ones, in the Texas State Park. It said alligators are present in the park. Up there. Oh, there's a deer. There's a deer, deer, deer. Back to what I was saying. I was going to say I've never seen an alligator before, but that's not true. When I was on the East Coast, I saw an alligator in a pond at a KOA, I think it's. So, anyway, that would be cool to see one, though. Alright. Gotta see which way my campsite is. So I wanted to come get the turkeys. Do you see the turkeys over there? Might not see them again, but I might. Turkeys. I guess they're spreading their wings to cool off. It's 91 degrees. We just landed. Yeah, it's warm. Got the air conditioner plugged in, and I got a sweet spot. Yeah. Number one, the campers in the shade, which is going to help on these hot days. And then I got a nice shaded area where the picnic table is. Yeah. Nice spot. Look at that big old nice beautiful tree. Yeah, I can't complain. So my big refrigerator got up to 53. My other one's fine, 36. But it did stay on after I turned it on when I was at Walmart. So I don't know. But anyway, it seems to be working after that one little mishap this morning. So let's see if that comes down now that I'm plugged into electricity. Hope you can hear me. I got my my refrigerator running. Y'all know that joke. My air conditioner is running. There's the turkeys. Sammy spotted them. Bye, turkeys. Good night. You looking at the turkey, Sammy? She's like, yes. Oh, get out.